Welcome back to Tech Solutions Info. Over here we bring solutions to your tech challenges. Today we are going to teach you how to partition your hard drive. It could either be your main computer hard disk or an external hard disk drive. Let's get into it. I'm going to open this PC and insert an external hard disk drive. As you can see, the inserted disk is a 1 terabyte drive with a usable storage space of 930 gigabyte. Press Windows key and X on the keyboard to open the secret Start menu. Go ahead and click Disk Management. As indicated, local disk F is disk 1 on the Disk Management window, therefore that's where we are going to create the partition. Right-click the disk F on the Disk Management page and click Shrink Volume. Now watch here carefully, because here is where you are going to specify the space to shrink for the partition. The serious thing about it is that you are going to do that in megabyte in equivalence to the space in gigabyte. I know you are confused right now, but don't be, because we're going to do the maths. 1000 megabyte equals 1 gigabyte. So the highest conversion from megabyte to gigabyte is 999,999. Therefore, the first 3 figures from the left represent gigabyte. In this video, we are going to shrink 500 gigabytes for the partition. So we are going to replace the first figure from the left, which is 9 to 5, and then leave the rest as they are. After you have specified the space you are going to shrink, go ahead and click Shrink. When done shrinking the specified space, it's going to be indicated as unallocated. Now right-click it and click New Simple Volume. On the next pop-up window, click Next. Over here, leave the volume size as you already specified before shrinking. Then go ahead and click Next. Over here, you can change the drive letter to your preference, but we are going to leave it as G. Now click Next. On this page, leave everything as they are except for the volume label, which you can change to a different name if you want. Then click Finish to successfully create the partition. As you can see from this PC, the new partition has been created. Now, if you want to delete the partition, this is how to do it. Right-click the partition and click Delete Volume. Click Yes on the pop-up prompt. The partition will be indicated as unallocated. Now go to the main partition from which you created the new one. Right-click it and click Extend Volume. Click Next. Click Next again. Then click Finish. That's all to do to delete a partition. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, share to a friend who needs to see, subscribe and comment down below a problem you need us to help you fix.